absolute taste, and we took a tour of the facilities there, and we've learnt a lot about the business.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, there was lots to learn. Everyone learned new things. There was you got a taste of how they cater for people as well around the country and stuff. It's not just small businesses.
I thought it was going to be really, really difficult, but we deboned the chicken and it was actually easier than I expected it to be. And watching him cut up the whole lamb was pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, you learnt a lot, to be fair, from say stuff at college, but then you can take that back to do things say at home, to put things in recipes yourself cook for family and stuff. So it was a good life skill for the catering world.